Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week I've got 4 hybrid formats that I think you'll find very interesting. Hybrid folds feature the distinctive characteristics of at least 2 different folding styles combined into one new hybrid format. There are no rules in this category, so let's take a closer look. First up is one of my all-time favorite folds from my collection. This is a gorgeous gate into accordion hybrid design with a keyhole die cut on the cover, beautiful illustrations, and a stylish 3-panel accordion fold reveal. The beauty of a hybrid format is the ability to design your user experience, and I love the transition from gatefold to accordion and how much real estate it creates for content while allowing the luxury of space for the visuals. Now, let's look at another way to handle this gate into accordion hybrid format, this time with a locked cover. This sample is an oldie but goodie from my archive, and it has a circle locked gate cover that slides open to unlock and reveal the 3-panel accordion interior spread. This is the exact same fold as the previous example, just a different proportion, different paper, and different die cut design approach on the short gate panels. Locked gates force interaction in a creative way. You have to slide it open to get to the inside. Next up is a unique and creative asymmetrical accordion open gate combo that I think you'll like. I'm not sure I ever would have thought to put these 2 formats together, but I really appreciate the result. It's just such a surprise to open the cover to find the open gate, and the short panels are nice to work with. Here's the asymmetrical accordion, and then the additional 2 panels on the right fold in and back out again to create the open gate on the interior spread. Okay, I've got one final hybrid for you, and this is a brilliant marriage between a double swinger fold and a 3-panel accordion. You'll notice this design kind of pulls characteristics from all 3 previous examples. This is an open gate with double swinger die cuts opening to a 3-panel accordion reveal. How about that? The paper is a little light for the job, but I love the design and the experience. See what I mean? There really are no rules in hybrid format design, and that's what makes it fun. You can always use a tried and true folding style like a trifold, gate, or roll, or make up something that is uniquely your creation. So consider that a challenge. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.